acceleration. सर वहाँ तक
In last class, we were going through Newton's law of motion. Is it not? Sorry, students. Actually, prayer is going on because as you got the information, 11 and 12 class is running in the school. So they have come. So for them, prayer is there. प्रार्थना हो रही है. So little bit for few minutes there will be some disturbance. Okay, don't worry for that. Okay, it will be clear. Hello, and there is nothing to worry. देखो, in last class we were going through Newton's second law of motion. All of you remember about Newton's second law of motion. Last day I gave you the idea that formula for Newton's second law of motion to solve numerical problem. Today we will go through again the statement plus application of Newton's second law of motion in everyday life. In everyday life, how Newton's second law of motion is applicable. Like vehicles are fitted with shock absorber. Okay, vehicles are fitted with shock absorber. So, why vehicles are fitted with shock absorber? What is the reason? So, these things, and thereafter, one thing. How karate players are able to break the piles of bricks. Not only that, there are many examples related to application of Newton's second law of motion. Many examples. Some of the examples in everyday life. You know, in high jump or long jump, you might have seen that there is competition, but when jumper jumps, they jumps on the piles of sands or cushion. Okay, why all this happens? Why the jumping is there on cushion? That is also based on Newton's second law of motion. So we can say that Newton's second law of motion in everyday life, it is quite applicable, quite important to understand how Newton's second law of motion helps to understand different phenomena, different activities, different steps. Sometimes you might have seen a cricket player while catching a ball, you know, a keeper, wicket keeper in cricket, while catching a ball, what they do? They generally put the hands backward. While experienced cricket player know the importance. Experienced cricket player know the importance of taking the ball in backward place, like this. Why? We can explain on the basis of Newton's second law of motion. Why vehicles? Okay, I have got a bike. Maybe in car, in trucks, any vehicle, buses. You know, you are feeling very comfortable while sitting on the bus, in the bus. You are sitting in the bus and you are not experiencing much jerk because seats, buses are fitted with shock absorber. jerk absorber. What is this jerk absorber? How it works? How jerk absorber works? All this we can explain on the basis of Newton's second law of motion. So, when we understand Newton's second law of motion, then two things are there to understand. Last day also I said. Basically, we can write two aspects of Newton's second law of motion as a formula. Can any one of you repeat the statement, the Newton's second law of motion? बोलिए.
So the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to force applied and is in direction of force.
Okay. That means you want to say that force is change in momentum by change in time interval. You are saying like this. Actually, force is equal to change in momentum by change in time. That is the mathematical way to express formula of Newton's second law of motion. Okay, this is formula. Formula for Newton's second law of motion. Now another formula is also there. If you are talking about formula, at least I gave you two formulas. Is it not? Two formulas. First,
So force is equal to mass into acceleration.
time. And second formula was F is equal to m into F is equal to m into. These two formulas are used to solve numerical problem also, and to explain many of the ideas based on Newton's second law of motion. Okay. So when we are talking about Newton's second law of motion, then change in momentum in certain time interval. Change in momentum in certain time interval. So if you are writing formula mv minus mu by t, this also we can write mb minus mu by t. This also we can. Okay, just look. F is equal to mv minus mu by t. What is mv? mv is final momentum. What is mu? That is
Initial moment.
What is t? What is t? What is t? What is t? T is
The time.
T is
Time.
Time
What
into
time?
time.
What time,
Time.
it is? What is time t?
Change in momentum.
Change in
momentum. Change in momentum.
Pardon? Pardon? Again repeat.
Time taken to change the momentum.
Good. Very good. T is the time taken by the system, by the body, by the particle to change its momentum from initial mu to final mu. That is very important. Now think it. This change in momentum could take place in less time interval. Time interval could be small, or
Yes,
time
sir.
interval could be large. Okay. The main point is the time interval. Okay. Any activity, you think it. any activity. Very simple activity you think. A cricket player want to stop the ball. Okay, a fielder, a cricket fielder, a seasoned player, experienced fielder want to stop the ball. What he is supposed to do? He is supposed to apply force. According to Newton's second law of motion, he is supposed to apply force. Because force could stop the ball. It is a common experience. It is quite common experience that force could stop the ball. But what this force is going to do? Force is actually changing the momentum of the ball. You know, a ball was coming with some velocity and finally cricket player has to stop. So final momentum 0. Final momentum 0. So if we are talking about the final momentum 0, initial momentum something, then that change in momentum will take place by the application of force. Now, if time interval is increased, t more, then what will happen? Less force cricket player has to apply. Less force cricket player has to apply. Okay. So if cricket player has to apply less force, then less reaction will be there. Okay, less force, less reaction. Newton's third law of motion. So here, cricket player will get less hurt and he will be able to stop the ball. So what is happening? What is happening? How Newton's second law of motion is applicable? That we can understand. How Newton's second law of motion is applicable? Because cricket player can stop the ball by applying force for a small time interval, greater force. A small time interval, that means ball आया तुरंत रोका, more time less time interval, कम समय कम, large force. देखो ये डेरिवेटिव में समय कम है, तो तुम कह सकते हो समय कम रहने से फोर्स तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, ज़्यादा फोर्स उसको लगाना पड़ेगा. तो क्या ज़्यादा फोर्स लगाना फायदेमंद है? बोलो, you tell. बोलो.
No, sir.
आयुष,
Yes, sir.
क्या ज़्यादा फोर्स लगाना फायदेमंद है?
Sir, ज़्यादा
है? एक क्रिकेट प्लेयर को है ना बहुत से बॉल को पकड़ना होता है फील्डर को, है ना, 2-4 घंटा.
Yes, sir.
तो हर एक बार अगर ज़्यादा फोर्स लगे
Yes, sir.
है
तो ज़्यादा फोर्स लगाना उतना फायदेमंद नहीं होगा.
नहीं है. गुड. ज़्यादा फोर्स लगाना फायदेमंद नहीं है. सो
ज़्यादा force लगा-
प्लेयर हैज़ टू अप्लाई, जो सीजन प्लेयर है, एक्सपीरियंस्ड क्रिकेट फील्डर है, जो समझदार है, वो कम फोर्स लगा करके काम निकाल लेंगे. तो उसके लिए उनको क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसके लिए उनको टाइम इंटरवल बढ़ाना होगा. टाइम बढ़ाना होगा, डेरिवेटिव बढ़ा देंगे. ये बढ़ा दिया, फोर्स लेस. और अगर फोर्स लेस हो गया तो उसका काम भी हो जाएगा. और अगर वो कम फोर्स लगाएगा तो रिएक्शन भी कम होगा, उसका रिएक्शन भी कम होगा. अगर बॉल पर कम फोर्स लगाना तो बॉल भी उस पर कम फोर्स लगेगा, तो चोट भी कम लगेगा. हाँ, गेटिंग लेस है. So that is the way Newton's second law of motion is applicable here. Here in this case, while catching a ball, catching a cricket ball. Okay, so that is the point. That's लेकिन हमको जरूरत पड़ेगा नहीं, एक ही टेस्ट. So, so that is the way it works. Now, what you understand, what we have to keep in the mind. क्या समझना है? समझना ये है कि घटनाओं को अंजाम देने के लिए या होने के लिए फोर्स की आवश्यकता है। ठीक, बॉल रोकने के लिए फोर्स की आवश्यकता है। अब ये फोर्स ज़्यादा लगाया जाए, ज़्यादा कब? टाइम इंटरवल कम हो। टाइम इंटरवल कम हो, जैसे शॉर्ट लेग का फील्डर है ना? शॉर्ट लेग का फील्डर क्या होता है? उसके पास समय कम है, उसके पास समय बहुत कम है। समय कम होने की वजह से उसको तुरंत रोकना है बॉल को, तो चोट लगता ही है उसको। तुमने देखा होगा, उसको चोट लगता है क्योंकि उसके पास समय कम है। बॉल आया, तुरंत उसको रोकना है, वो बच नहीं सकता है, उसको चोट लगता है। चोट क्यों लगता है? क्योंकि वो लास्ट फोर्स उसको अप्लाई करना है। लेकिन वही है डीप मिड विकेट में मिडफील्डर या एक विकेट कीपर जो फास्ट बॉल के है ना बाउंसर बॉल को रोक रहा है, या एक विकेट कीपर जो कैच पकड़ रहा है। विकेट कीपर अगर कैच पकड़ता है, तुमने देखा होगा ज़्यादातर वो थोड़ा सा टाइम इंटरवल बढ़ाता है, वो टाइम इंटरवल बढ़ाता है। What is the basis to increase the time interval? To apply less force. What is law? Law is Newton's second law of motion. That is law. So here, a cricket player, a cricket wicket keeper, successfully catch a ball by using Newton's second law of motion, unknowingly or knowingly. He knows by experiencing it. Okay, so not only catching a ball, even a batsman, experienced batsman, seasoned batsman, while playing shots, while playing shots, what they do, what is their experience, how they perform good shots, how they able to cut shots, late cut. You might have heard, तुमने सुना भी होगा कि थोड़ा सा बैकफुट पर जाकर के समय लेकर के शॉट मारना, समय लेकर
Yes, sir.
तुमने देखा हो। These are the way cricket player, a good batsman plays the shot and successfully gets the run. 4, 6. So here also, while batsman playing a shot, using the time interval, increasing the time interval. So increasing time interval increase, less force he has to apply to bring the change in momentum of the ball to play the shot. Okay, students, do you understand what I am telling?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो ये हम लोग का एक कॉमन एक्सपीरियंस से भी हो सकता है। हम लोग जब क्रिकेट का बॉल पकड़ते हैं, मैं भी क्रिकेट बचपन में खेलता था, बहुत अच्छा नहीं काम चलाओ, लेकिन जानते थे ये बात कि बॉल पकड़ने के लिए थोड़ा नीचे अगर ऐसे दिक्कत होगा ना, पकड़ने में दिक्कत होता है, पकड़ने में दिक्कत। और ऐसे तो इस दौरान क्या करते हैं हम लोग? एक्चुअली जब तुम लोग क्रिकेट का बॉल पकड़ते हो है ना, तो तुम लोग थोड़ा हाथ को पीछे ले जाते हो। क्यों ऐसा करते हो? ऐसा इसलिए करते हो क्योंकि बॉल अच्छे से पकड़ा है। क्यों? हाँ, अच्छे से बॉल पकड़ाने के लिए तुम अगर टाइम इंटरवल इंक्रीज करते हो तो छोटा फोर्स भी बॉल के मोमेंटम को zero. Final momentum, zero.
Yes.
Okay. So, while catching a ball, you can understand. Okay. Application of application of Newton's second law of motion. So when we talk about application of Newton's second law of motion, the first application, what we were discussing, अभी जो हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे उसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं while catching a ball okay while catching a cricket ball दिख रहा है ना सबको
Yes, sir.
good
Yes, sir.
very good देखो आज today is the first day in the school and maybe very soon I hope that you persons are also going to come to enjoy the class environment right? Class environment that you persons are missing from last 2 months I hope very soon you persons are coming and we will enjoy more of our this physics class, chemistry class, science classes. So don't worry. But today I am in the school campus and we are learning here. So application of Newton's second law of motion. While catching a cricket ball, what happens? While catching a cricket ball, seasoned player takes his hand backward. Takes his hand backward. Okay. To increase the time interval. To increase the time interval. To increase the time interval so that small force is required to stop the ball and to bring the change in momentum of the ball and getting less hurt. So getting less hurt, थोड़ा चोट कम लगे चोट तो थोड़ा बहुत लगता ही बॉल पकड़ने के थोड़ा लेकिन वो चोट कम से कम लगे बुद्धिमान क्रिकेट खिलाड़ी बुद्धिमान क्रिकेट फील्डर वो जानते हैं कि न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन का अप्लाई करना है अगर नहीं भी जानते हैं तो वो अप्लाई करते हैं ऐसे ही पकड़ते हैं और जो बेवकूफ़ क्रिकेट प्लेयर होते हैं या कभी कभी जो अच्छे प्लेयर भी जब कैच छूटने वाला होता है तो वो अचानक जो है ऐसे ही पकड़ लेते वो भूल जाते हैं कि नीचे ले जाना सो दैट इज द वे ए सीजन क्रिकेट प्लेयर could do the mistake sometimes it could be mistaken by any sincere cricket player
Sir.
sometimes हाँ, pardon?
सर इसका कुछ और एग्जांपल भी हो सकता है?
हैं?
सर कुछ और एग्जांपल्स?
बोलो बोलो।
सर एग्जांपल्स और हो सकते हैं इसका?
हाँ हो सकता है, और हो सकता है, और हो सकता है। पहले
कुछ
एक एग्जांपल हम क्यों दे रहे
ये
हैं?
सब कुछ
पहले हम एक एग्जांपल देखिए क्यों समझा रहे हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पर 3 फैक्टर्स हैं, 3 फैक्टर्स टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, 3 फैक्टर्स। फर्स्ट टाइम, सेकंड चेंज इन मोमेंटम, थर्ड फोर्स। These 3
फोर्स।
you have to adjust. These 3: time, change in momentum, force, and only you have to adjust time. Time you are adjusting, force will be adjusted. Okay, and your work will be finished. दूसरे एग्जाम्पल्स भी हैं। अब तुम देखो, पहले इसको लिख लो, पहले इसको हम लोग लिख लो अच्छे से। क्या हम लोग लिख रहे थे? क्वेश्चन क्या है? क्वेश्चन है वाई ए सीजन क्रिकेट प्लेयर, ऑल ऑफ यू राइट द क्वेश्चन, सब लोग लिखिए क्वेश्चन। वाई a seasoned cricket player, why a seasoned cricket player why a seasoned cricket player while catching a ball while catching a ball while catching a ball takes his hand backward, takes his hand backward. Okay. Answer, you write. Answer, in the answer part you write. Answer part you write. This could be explained. This could be explained. Okay. This could be explained. This could be explained on the basis of Newton's second law of motion. This could be explained on the basis of Newton's second law of motion. This could be explained on the basis of Newton's second law of motion. Okay. And now the points you are writing. While catching a cricket ball, while catching a cricket ball, while catching a cricket ball, a seasoned cricket player, a seasoned cricket player, a seasoned cricket player takes his hand, takes his hand, takes his hand, takes his hand backward, takes his hand backward to increase the time interval, to increase the time interval, to increase the time interval, to increase the time interval so that small force could stop, the running ball could stop the running ball by bringing by bringing the required change in momentum. Required change in momentum of the ball.